Team, this isn't just a grill, it's a precision heat machine. Let's check it out. All right, guys, today we're gonna do some live fire cooking on our new Bighorn Outdoor SantaMariaGrill. And if you guys haven't tried live fire cooking before, this is the grill for you. Now today, since we have our beautiful new SantaMariaGrill, we're gonna do some Santa Maria style tri-tip. It's really simple to prepare. Season it up, I'm using my West Coast shake. It has all the flavors of the West Coast. Tri-tip is trimmed. You're trimming off a little bit, but you're gonna leave that fat cap on there, and I'll show you why in a minute. West Coast shake going on. It's perfect for the SantaMariaGrill. Got those good California flavors. Give it a decent coat. It's a big piece of meat, it can handle it. Set it aside and let it rest for a hot second. Let's go get it on that grill and get this bad boy fired up. With the SantaMariaGrill, you have precision heat control with this bad boy right here and the steel cables that raise and lower that grate. So you can raise it up a little bit higher to slow roast something, or when you want that intense sear, you drop that grate down right over those hot coals, sear it up, baby. Team, this grill is built like a tank. It has that reinforced square tubing. This is definitely a quality constructed grill. And one thing I love about this grill are the V-style cooking grates. And all it does is channel that grease and fat away from the fire into a little collecting tray in front here. So you're definitely minimizing flare-ups, and that's a great thing when you're dealing with live fire cooking like this. Today we're using lump charcoal and a couple hickory log splits in there. The Bighorn SantaMariaGrill has a very spacious firebox, so you have plenty of room and plenty of surface to build a nice coal bed in there. Something I really like about it, when you're done, all you do is slide the bottom tray out, dump any ash that's done burning, dump that, and you start with a new clean surface. It's easy to clean up in there, and I dig that. Other SantaMariaGrills I've had, I have to like shovel out or vacuum out the ashes and dust in there, and this makes it a lot easier for the cleanup. And we're gonna fire up that charcoal and wood with my little blowtorch in there, but if you got some fire starters, whatever works, get that fire burning. Now, once we get that coal bed nice and flat and ready to roll, I'm gonna put my hand over the grill grate. In about 4 to 5 seconds, you can start really feeling it. That's when I'm ready to throw the tri-tip on there. Now we're gonna throw that tri-tip on fat side towards the fire, okay? That fat cap's gonna protect the meat for a long time. So the better part of this cook is gonna be with the fat cap facing down. We're gonna give it a flip a few times to get it where we want it to be. Obviously we need even cooking all the way through. That fat protected the meat for a long time. We're gonna do the majority of the cook with the fat cap down. Now we're gonna sear off the other side. So now that that tri-tip is ready to be pulled off, we're gonna get it in the house and let it rest. Now my family likes our tri-tips and our steaks a little bit more medium as opposed to the medium rare. But you guys, however you guys wanna cook it, you want a little medium rare to rare, obviously pull it off a little bit sooner. You want a little more well done, keep flipping until you're a desired temperature. Now as you can see, take a big old bite, you know it's good, baby. All right, team, we're back outside with our Bighorn SantaMariaGrill. Listen, I'm totally impressed with the way this thing cooks, all the features on it, the strength, the stability, the V-grate groove grates, very cool feature. The grease collecting in the front, you guys are gonna dig it. You wanna check it out, learn more, buy one, link will be down below. Check it out, tell them CJ sent you, all right? But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.